In a significant development, at least 3 terrorists were neutralized by security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda area. The encounter occurred after terrorists opened fire on security forces conducting a combing operation, prompting a swift retaliation. This incident is part of a recent surge in terror attacks in the region. Since June 9th, there have been multiple strikes in Riyasi, Kathua and Doda, resulting in at least 12 fatalities. In response, security forces have intensified their anti-terror operations. To aid in these efforts, authorities have also announced a cash reward of Rs 5 lakhs each for information, leading to the capture of 4 Pakistani terrorists believed to have infiltrated and are currently operating in the region. A report.
On June 26th, a fierce confrontation erupted between Indian security forces and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district. This skirmish was triggered by intelligence reports indicating the presence of terrorists in the area. These terrorists were believed to be involved in recent attacks on the army and police in the valley. In the ensuing encounter, 3 terrorists associated with the notorious Jaish-e-Mohammed were eliminated. A significant cache of arms and ammunition, including US-made M4 carbines, was recovered from the encounter site, showcasing the severity of the threat.
जो ये एनकाउंटर हुआ है इसमें 3 आतंकवादी मारे गए हैं और इनसे असला और एम्यूनिशन वगैरह रिकवर हुआ है और अभी इस इलाके में सर्च ऑपरेशन जारी है.
Just days earlier on June 12, security forces engaged terrorists in the Tata Top Gundu areas of Doda district. During this engagement, a Jammu and Kashmir police constable was injured in the firefight, but the terrorists managed to escape. For the past 14 days, security forces have intensified search operations throughout the region. This effort led to the arrest of 3 individuals who were providing food and shelter to the terrorists. The information gathered from these arrests proved crucial in locating the terrorists.
हमने अभी तक जो कोटा टॉप में हमारा मिलिटेंट्स के साथ कांटेक्ट हुआ था उसमें हमने उस केस में अभी तक 3 लोगों को हमने अरेस्ट किया है. ये तीनों नियर बाई ही गांव है वहाँ पे टांटा ड्रमन करके, तो वहाँ के लोग हैं वो तीनों, उनको अरेस्ट किया हमने जिन्होंने मिलिटेंट्स को एज ए गाइड और लॉजिस्टिक्स प्रोवाइड किए थे और फिर इन्फॉर्म भी नहीं किया किसी को, उस चीज़ को छुपाया और एरिया में मिलिटेंट्स को सेटल होने दिया. इसी के बेस पे हम लोगों ने उन 3 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया.
The terrorists were discovered hiding in a muddy house covered by trees and grass on a hill opposite Sino village. Security forces laid a comprehensive cordon around the area, ensuring no chance for the terrorists to escape. To further secure the area, helicopters were deployed to drop para-commandos, as the dense forests and challenging terrain made ground movement difficult and dangerous. This was the second significant encounter in the Jammu region this month, which marks a major victory against terrorism.
हमने पहले से भी कहा है कि ये जंग हम जीत के ही रहेंगे. हो सकता है हमें छोटा बड़ा लॉसेस उठाने पड़ेंगे रास्ते में, पर हम पब्लिक भी तैयार है, हम भी तैयार है, फौज भी तैयार है, पैरामिलिट्री भी तैयार है, जंग की पुलिस भी तैयार है. और यहाँ का पहले बीडीजी, एसपीओज ये सब मिलके एक हमारी तंत्र था. हमने इनको पहले से भी हराया था, अब भी हराएंगे.
Persistent efforts to disrupt India's peace, orchestrated by Pakistan, have become a recurring pattern. Despite facing its own internal challenges, such as a struggling economy and political instability, Pakistan continues to sponsor terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. These actions highlight a deliberate attempt to destabilize the region and impede progress. India, however, maintains a robust and well-structured framework to counter such threats. The country is committed to preserving peace and security, actively combating the miscreants supported by Pakistan. The recent encounters in Doda district are a testament to the relentless efforts of Indian security forces to thwart terrorism and ensure the safety of its citizens.